going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and this app/website is for those of you who struggle with taking surveys. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make money on this site because they pay you disqualification points, and these are some of the highest points that I've seen when it comes across the board with survey sites. So you're seeing like 240 points, 175 points, 250 points. Each point is equivalent to 1 cent. They don't take a lot of time, but like I said, the main thing is with this site is that you're going to get paid disqualification points. You're going to get paid 3 cents for each one you disqualify for. Most sites pay you like, maybe 1 cent for that, but I'm going to show you how you do it. So I'm just going to kind of go to any survey here and just to show you how you would do it. So click on it. It'll redirect you to the survey, obviously, and then you're just going to see what they're talking about. I got to confirm that I'm not a robot, so let me do this real quick. Click on the bicycles. I'm actually going to disqualify for this survey on purpose, but I'm just showing you for educational purposes how this goes. So I'm going to pick English, and right here, I'm going to click on no, just because I know that it will disqualify me, but I want to show you how you can get a 3 cent. And so that paid 70 cents, but you see there, 3 points just for answering that survey. So it is just that simple. I don't recommend just going through every survey automatically disqualifying, because that will get your account flagged and, taken away, obviously deactivated. But if you're taking a survey and you go into it and you don't finish it, you're not able to complete it, you will get points for it. So now when it comes to cashing out, you need a minimum of $5 here. I got 13 points and need 487, obviously more to cash out. They pay instantly to PayPal, so that's why I really love this website. So, it doesn't take a long time to get your money. I will leave the link to this site in the description. You can use it on the computer or on your phone, whatever the case. They have an app that you can download, but you can also go to the actual website. You'll make your money there, Survey Junkie. So, like I said, all the information you need is in the description. Get paid to take these surveys. And like I said, they're paying, really good money for each survey. Even if you're not able to qualify for it, you're getting 3 cents. So you're going to make money with it. So get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.